Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina, owner of Elite by Elise. This is a date night basket, and in this basket I've included the massage oil, our plush white bear, vanilla cream candle, bath salts and body mist, as well as our chocolate covered pretzel sticks and our game board. I also have a box of turtles in here, as well as some popcorn. I decided to add a towel to this as well, which is not in the basket yet, but you will see it at the end. I've rolled the towel up and placed it on the top there. And I think this is a very nice gift for Valentine's Day. I'm going to add my fillers in there. And then we'll wrap this basket up and I'll include some photos. And there's our gray towel rolled at the top. I used shrink wrap on this basket and topped it with a bow. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice night.